data due to be released later today, which could provide more clues on the timing of tapering of the stimulus in the world's largest economy. On your screens, 0.25% of gain coming in for the international markets. The Indian markets, of course, have seen a decline because of rupee appreciation. The Brent futures also are trading around 111 a barrel after 2 days of decline there. On your screens, 0.25% of a gain coming in for that one as well. The real rebound really has come in for the NYMEX crude prices, which are holding at $97 and are closing the week nearly 4% on the higher side. Let's take into the experts then. And Angad Singh Bhatia is MD Bezel Group. He joins us live. Also joining us in studio is Vijay Bambani, who's author and CEO at BSPL India. Vijay, hi, let's start with you first. The performer then really has been the crude prices, up 4% for the international markets. The Indian markets also holding around that 6,000 mark.
Absolutely, Manisha. And I would stick to my view I advocated yesterday and a couple of days earlier that the closer it gets to the 6080 levels, I think in the absolute near term, the more you will see long unwinding because the closer it gets to 6120, which I think is a near-term top, I think the selling pressure can only accelerate. On the flip side, should you see trade below the 5,970 odd levels, the cuts on the downside may just deepen in the absolute near term. But somewhere along the line, closer to 5940 odd levels, I would expect a renewed bout of buying interest emanating at lower levels.
Angad, what's your sense coming in for the prices? Because we clearly are reacting to the kind of moves that the rupee is giving to us as well. 0.5% down on the crude prices right now. The strength, though, has continued for the natural gas prices. Where would you want to put your trades in the energy space?
Well, I'm bullish on crude oil, as you mentioned, because of the severe weather coming in Europe and USA, even on the high seas of the northern high seas, and also in the US. The crude production has fallen. And because of that, I'm bullish on this, and I'm keeping a stop loss of 5,900 and target of 6250 in the short term.
Angad, how would you be viewing the precious metal space? Because while the international market